Create order. This video will guide you through the process on how you will register a learner against a qualification or apprenticeship. Prior to registering a learner against a qualification, your learner must already exist within the system. There are 3 ways to do this. Number 1. If you want to create an order for multiple learners, you can use the Upload Learner Group process. Number 2. Select existing learners through Create Order process. Number 3. You're able to create an individual learner through the Create Order process. Prerequisites. You have Centre Administrator access. If you have multiple user roles, you have selected the Centre Administrator. You have approval for the qualification you wish to register your learner against. Firstly, we need to log into Qualifications Management application. Next, click on the Learner Management app. From the Learner Management icon, click Create, followed by Create Order. From the Create Order screen, click on the Select Product button at right. You will notice 2 tabs at the top of the screen, Registrations and Entries and Bookings. As we are making a registration, we will stay on the default Registrations tab. You are now able to search for your qualification or apprenticeship by either using the search bar or using the advanced search option. Approved qualifications are shown at the top of the screen. By expanding apprenticeships at the bottom of the screen, a list of the frameworks will appear. For the purpose of this video, we will use the qualifications. Once you have located your qualification, apprenticeship, click on the relevant checkbox at left. Next, click Add Selected Products to Order. You will now be brought back to the Create Order Overview screen. You will notice that the order number has been populated and you are able to enter a purchase order number. This can be anything you want it to be, a cohort name, date, numerical, etc., and will reconcile with your invoices. You will see the title of the qualification you have selected, number of learners. This currently shows as 0 as we have not selected learners at this point. The price of the qualification. You will notice 2 exclamation marks advising as to the next action required to complete this order. Firstly, you need to link learners to this order. Click Select Learners. You will notice 2 tabs, Select Learners and Create Learners. These are the 2 ways to add learners to an order. Number 1, select learners. Select an existing learner or learner group. The learner group is the file name from the bulk upload process. Number 2, create learners. This is where you'll create a new learner. To find a learner which is already registered or an upload learner group name, click on the Select Learners tab. A table will show all registered learners. If the list is large, you can use the search by clicking on the magnifying glass or press Enter on your keyboard. Alternatively, use the advanced search option. This will allow you to search by learner group name, given name, family name, or Pearson Learner ID. To link an existing learner to the order, click the plus icon and the learner will move across to the Link Learners box at right. Then click OK. To create a learner, select the Create Learners tab and enter the learner details. Remember, the gender, family name and date of birth are mandatory. You can add optional additional details to a learner, such as signature and photo, by clicking the link. This would be relevant for those learners registered on a Licence to Practice qualification. Click the Save and Add button to move the learner over to the Link Learner screen at right. Then click OK. You have now returned back to the Create Order Overview screen. You will have noticed a green tick against the linked learners to indicate you have completed this action. The learner count has changed from 0 to 2. Next, you need to add course start and end dates to the linked learners. Click the Add Dates button at right. Select the course start and end dates for each of the linked learners, either by typing in the date or selecting from the calendar. You can use the column headers to complete the entire column of learners, or fill in individually. Once you have completed the dates, click Save Changes. You are presented with an overview of your order. You will have 2 green ticks to show that you've successfully linked learners and entered course dates. If you wish, you can add more qualifications to the order. Simply click Select Product and repeat the process of adding learners and start and end dates. Once your order is completed, click Submit at bottom left. A pop-up window will appear asking if you are sure you want to submit your order. You are able to click on the expansion arrow at top left to see the breakdown of your order, including the learners, qualification and costs, etc. If you are happy to submit the order, click the OK button. Your order has now been submitted.